Hey there, my friend. It's Henry here. Welcome back to Confident English Cast. Let me start with a funny idea. Have you ever watched hours of English videos and then tried to speak and nothing came out? It's like this. You watch a whole movie. You understand almost everything. You feel great. Then someone asks you, "Hey, how are you?" And your brain says, "Nope, not today." Funny, right? And a little painful too. Or maybe this happens to you. You watch English lessons every day. You listen to teachers. You download apps. You know many words. But when you open your mouth, silence. Complete silence. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of learners feel the same. Watching is easy. Speaking is hard. But guess what? Speaking is also simple when you know the right steps. And today, I will give you those steps. Introduction: who I am and what we'll do today. So, my friend, if you are new here, I'm Henry. I've been teaching English for 25 years to learners all around the world. Beginners, shy speakers, busy adults, students with fear. I've seen everything. I've heard everything. And I know one truth. You can speak English. Yes, you. You can do it. I also know this. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need years of study. You need one thing: practice with simple steps. In today's episode, our topic is powerful. Stop watching. Start speaking. 5 easy English tips for beginners. These tips are simple. These tips are fast. These tips really work. And you can start today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Before we start, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Confident English Cast. Your support helps us grow and helps more learners speak with confidence. Are you ready? Let's go. Topic introduction. Why this matters. Why do we say stop watching, start speaking? Because watching is passive. Speaking is active. Watching is easy. Speaking is brave. Watching gives knowledge. Speaking builds skill. Let me ask you this. Can you learn to swim by watching swimming videos? Can you learn to drive by watching car tutorials? Can you learn to cook by watching chefs on TV? No. You learn by doing. English is the same. Your mouth needs practice. Your brain needs practice. Your confidence needs practice. So today, I will show you 5 easy ways to speak more, speak faster, and speak better. And yes, you can do them all even if you are shy, even if you are alone, even if you are a total beginner. Main idea. Speaking is a simple habit. Let me explain something important. Speaking English is not a talent. Speaking English is a habit, a small habit, a daily habit, a simple habit, like brushing your teeth, like drinking water, like checking your phone. You don't think about it. You just do it. When English becomes a habit, you speak naturally. No stress, no fear, no pressure. So today's 5 tips will help you build a strong speaking habit. Tip 1. Speak for 2 minutes a day. Yes, just 2 minutes. Not 10, not 30. 2 minutes. Why? Because 2 minutes is easy. 2 minutes is possible. 2 minutes is not scary. You can talk about anything. Your day, your food, your plans, your feelings. Here's a simple example. I woke up early today. I made tea. I checked my phone. I listened to music. I felt relaxed. That's it. Easy. Simple. Natural. Talk to yourself. Talk to a mirror. Talk while walking. Talk while cooking. You may think, will this help me? Yes. It will help a lot. 2 minutes a day makes your mouth move, makes your brain move, makes your confidence grow. Okay? Try it today. Tip 2. Use 10 power sentences every day. Beginners don't need hundreds of sentences. You only need 10. 10 power sentences. 10 daily sentences. For example, I don't understand. Can you repeat? Please speak slowly. I think so. I'm not sure. One moment, please. Can I ask a question? This is interesting. I agree. I don't know yet. These 10 sentences can help you in almost every conversation. They are simple. They are flexible. They are useful. Repeat them every day. Say them out loud. Use them with your friends. Use them at work. Use them online. After 1 week, they will feel natural. After 1 month, they will feel automatic. Automatic English is confident English. Tip 3. Shadow 1 minute of audio. Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. Choose 1 minute of audio. It can be a podcast, a video, a song, a dialogue, anything simple. Play it, listen, then speak with it. Copy the voice, copy the tone, copy the rhythm. Yes, you will make mistakes. That's good. Mistakes mean progress. Here's why shadowing works. It trains your mouth. It trains your ears. It trains your flow. It gives you real English. Just 1 minute a day can change your speaking. Tip 4. Speak before you study. This sounds strange, right? But it works. Before you study a new topic, try to speak about it first. For example, you learn food vocabulary. Before reading or watching, try this. What food do I like? I like rice. I like chicken. I like fruit. I eat eggs. I drink milk. Then study the lesson. Then speak again. Why? Because this method activates your brain. It opens the door for new words. It helps you remember. Speak first. Study second. Tip 5. Celebrate your small wins. This is very important. Very, very important. When you speak one sentence, celebrate. When you say one new word, celebrate. When you talk for 2 minutes, celebrate. Say, I did it. I'm improving. I'm strong. I'm growing. Small wins build big confidence. Confidence builds fluency. When you feel good, you speak more. When you speak more, you improve faster. Simple, right? Progress milestones. Let me paint a picture for you. Let me show you your future. After one day, you feel more aware. You start noticing English. You say small sentences. You feel a little proud. After 1 week, your mouth moves faster. Your confidence grows. Your fear becomes smaller. You start thinking in English for short moments. After 1 month, you speak longer. You speak clearer. People understand you better. You feel strong. You feel ready. You feel like a real English speaker. And you will say, wow, I can really do this. Because yes, you really can. Motivational encouragement. My friend, think of English like planting a seed. At first, the seed is small, invisible, quiet. But every day you give it water. A little water. Just a few drops. That water is your practice, your 2 minutes, your power sentences, your shadowing, your small wins. And slowly, the seed grows. The plant grows. Your English grows. One day, you look back and say, this all started with small steps. Remember this, you don't need perfect English. You need brave English. You don't need fast English. You need real English. You don't need long practice. You need daily practice. Small steps, simple steps, strong steps. You've got this. Practical, daily life applications. Where can you use today's tips? Everywhere. At home. Talk about your morning. Talk about your food. Talk about your plans. At work. Use your power sentences. Ask questions. Join small conversations. Online. Comment in English. Send short messages. Practice with apps. outside. Order food in English if possible. Read English signs. Talk to yourself quietly. With friends, teach them new words. Practice small dialogues. Share your progress. Every moment can be a speaking moment. Quick recap. 5. Main tips. Let's quickly review. Speak for 2 minutes a day. Small time. Big progress. Use 10 power sentences daily. Simple. Useful. Flexible. Shadow. 1 minute of audio. Copy. Repeat. Improve. Speak before you study. Activate your brain. Remember more. Celebrate small wins. Feel good. Grow fast. These 5 tips can change your English. They can change your confidence. They can change your life. Closing message. Warm goodbye. My friend, thank you for listening to Confident English Cast today. I hope today's episode gave you power, gave you ideas, gave you hope. Remember this. You can speak English. You can improve. You can grow. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big vocabulary. You only need small daily action. Try the tips today. Just pick one. Start now. And please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Confident English Cast. Come back tomorrow. Come back anytime. I am here for you. And together, we will build your confidence step by step. Take care, my friend. Stay strong, stay positive, and keep speaking. This is Henry, signing off. See you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.